Linis na. Galing mo sa...
Oh, bakit nawawala yan? Oh, tingnan mo may black screen. Aga na lang. Oh, aga na lang. Oh, wala pang program title natin. 1 sec.
Uy, 3 points. Naka 3 points naman ang cutie girl.
Ayan. Ayan, One Sports. Wala akong title. Ayan. Oh, wala akong title. Oh. Oh, wala akong title lang. Oh. Oh. Oh, kasi una ganyang mag-build. Next, ito lang yung GMA. Oh, dami yan. Okay. See you. I like that. See you. Bye. Okay. See you. Oh, bakit nawala yan? Oh, tingnan mo. Aga na lang. GTV first. Okay. Ayan. TV5. Yes, I have TV5. Oh. Malinaw siya. Tingnan mo. Oh, ayan. Oh. See you. Bye.